Only because you ain't here. Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out singing. If I can't live it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all in. I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I'm forget what everyone said.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all will be spending the day with me. I just woke up. I'm like flabbergasted. I'm gonna be straightening up my room. I'm finna straighten up my room right now, and then I'm gonna get in the shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, then get in the shower, then do a little homework, and I'm probably gonna go to the car wash because I went and got gas yesterday, so I'm probably gonna go to the car wash today. Get dressed, go to the car wash, and then come back home. It give me something to do since school's not in yet, so yeah. Okay, so I have my toothbrush, my face, and this is for when I get out the shower. I need a face towel. Face towel, toner.
Let me tap that down.
This is my baby cleanser. Now I'm gonna use my toner.
Can you play that again?
Okay, so now I'm gonna go get a shower. So I didn't take my last night. I just came home from work and ate and just went to sleep. I didn't even do too much. So I'm gonna get ready to go get a shower. And then we gonna put my clothes on and do my edges. And then we gonna make some these on. Then, okay, so this one I'm wearing. I'll probably put some these black sandals with it, or these furry things with it. Probably, I don't know yet. I'll figure it out when I leave. Or I'll probably put my Converse on. Don't know. I'm not putting a necklace on because I like really broke all my chains, and I ain't buy no new ones. So my pendants are just sitting over there waiting to be put on. Ain't really nothing I can do. Sorry. So I definitely started late. I got up. My timer went off at like 7:02, and I definitely got up late. I didn't get into the shower until like 8. I didn't get out until like 8:36. So we're gonna try to freshen up my hair, and then I'm gonna go fix something to eat, and then I'm gonna get ready to start doing some work. Okay, hold on.
Let me tap that dong. Let me tap that dong. Let me tap that dong. Let me tap that dong.
So I need to come over to eat. I got, this is like really finishing my morning. Like, morning is finished. I need to really come over to eat. And I don't know how many times I done said that, but alright, I'm gonna just make me a tuna fish sandwich. That's what they made this morning. So I don't know if people use good bread, but 2 sandwiches. I'm talking about eating. And if you want, I forgot. It should get slipped my mind that quick. Don't get some. Oh, my freaking I ain't got enough for 2 sandwiches. I don't have enough for 2 sandwiches. In it. You gotta spin it. He couldn't me smack this shit. No, he did. Drop this off. I'm come back for that. I got some water back. Hit the jackpot. We're at work. I need some so I could be ahead, cause when I get home from work, I be tired. I be wanting to go to sleep. So I'm finna. I think it's my medical terminology class, cause that's a 4-week class. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do my human anatomy lab. I'm gonna do that for today.
Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL.
Let me tap that dunk.
ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Also baby. Also ATL. Also baby. Also ATL. Also baby. Also ATL. Also
I'm tired. I done did all that. Okay, so y'all, I got 2 chapters done. So I got 10 and 11. I gotta do the quizzes, but it's like it's 11:33. The car wash open. Yeah, the car wash is open. So I'll probably just say bump this classwork right now and go to the car wash. Okay, so y'all, I'm on the way to the car wash right now. I think I'm like 10 minutes away. Probably gonna make it 10 minutes away. Car wash is now finished. I'm sweating. I'm tired. Georgia heat, like, it's nothing like Houston heat, but Georgia is so freaking bipolar. So now I'm on the way home. It's not gonna take me that long. Probably like 5 minutes tops. But I'm glad I got Starlit clean. Don't see my back seat because I got all my work stuff back there. But yeah, it's the outside of my car. I don't know, that shit just won't come off. That just won't come off. But the outside of my baby is clean. Starlit girl. I really do thank y'all for watching and spending the day with me. It was kind of like a productive day. But I really do thank y'all for spending the day with me. And I thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post. My social media links will be down below. Follow my TikTok. Your girl, I'll be posting every day. Every day. So make sure y'all do that. And bye.